Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Systeme.io tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar that moves depending on the navigation on your site. It could be a capture page, it could be a blog post. It works exactly the same way, and I'm going to show you very simply how to create this with code. For your information, if you don't yet have a Systeme.io account, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the description. Also, this code I'm actually going to give you inside my Systeme.io 2.0 launch kit. The link is the second link in the description. Inside it, I give you this code of course, but I also give you 4 systems to generate your first $1,000 per month. Without further delay, you're going to log into your Systeme.io account. Once your account is created, you'll go to Sites and then click on Sales Funnel. Here, you can either create a new funnel or use one that you already have and where you'd like to put this in place. For this video, I'll create a test funnel right here. It doesn't matter what type of funnel it is, that's not important. I click on Save, then I open my funnel and now I'll choose an appropriate template. For this example, I chose the first template, but it works with absolutely any of them. I'll select my template, then go to edit the page. Once I'm here, what I actually need is the following. The images might not load, just refresh. There we go. So here, what you need to do is simply add something. If I scroll down to the bottom of the menu on the left, there's HTML, the HTML code block. I can either select it and place it wherever I want, but for this type of code, it doesn't matter at all where you put it on the page. So you can just click on it, and Systeme.io will automatically add it at the very bottom of the page. Here, I click on the little gear icon to open the code editor. I open the code editor, I delete what's already there, and I simply copy-paste my code. The code is very, very simple. If I click Save, Save again, and then Preview, let's remove the first preview and look here. We can see the code is now installed. Now, how do we customize the code? It's very simple. You only have 2 parameters to change. I go back to my page editor, then edit the code. And here we see I have 2 elements that I can customize. These 2 elements allow me to choose the color of the progress bar. Of course, it should match your own branding, and also the size of the progress bar. For example, if I want to pick a color, let's say blue. I like this blue here. Then I just click in the element in the section here. We see that the background color is blue. Every time there's a color, there's also a color code. I can select it, copy my color code, then scroll back down to the code block, open the code editor again, and paste in the new color. If I click Save, Save again, and Preview, now if I look closely at my progress bar, it's blue. Okay, so that's very simple. Now let's say I also want to edit the code to increase or reduce the size. For example, I could set it to 20. It's not that useful, but you'll see. The size here is in pixels. I click Save, Save again, and Preview. Remove the old preview, and now we can see the bar is much bigger because I set it to 20 pixels in height. So you can choose the size like that without any problem. It's super simple. And once again, I'm giving you this code for free. Just click the second link in the description. It's my Launch Kit 2.0. Inside, you'll not only get this code, but also an entire system that helps you generate your first $1,000 per month with Systeme.io. Thanks again for watching. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you soon in the next tutorial.